commentary? Anything you'd like to say to your constituents?
No.
No? It's over? Shut the trailer, come back for the next one?
Yeah.
Nice. All right. That's probably for the best. Hey, welcome back to Deloney V8 Motorsports. It's race day. Finally going to try this yellow car out again. We made some changes. We took a little more weight off the clutch. We loosened up a couple binding points in the rear suspension, and I reset the shocks. We had messed with those to try to get it to hook up last time out. So we'll see what happens. There's 20 grams on that clutch. That's a lot less than I've had in the past. And but the suspension binding, we think, was probably a lot of why it was spinning at the hit. So we're going to try this. We'll see what happens. If it still spins, I'll lower the RPM down there, lower the launch RPM, see if that helps. If that doesn't do it, it's probably going to be time for new tires, and we'll see. We'll just see what it does. So stay tuned. It's going to be a good day. It's going to be a hot one.
Shook at 80 feet, 1167, 98 miles an hour. .46, 141. .46, 143. 946. Yeah, baby. Using a lot of clutch. Oh, that was good.
All right, Super Shifter round 2. Here we go. Who do we got lined up here? El Presidente.
Hi.
Hi. Battle of the German cars. This vehicle is Dick Arnold approved. Got one fast Nova. We got Brian in the white Falcon. So the competitor broke out.
And he broke out too.
So you red lit.
Yeah. 031.
Okay.
Yeah. Against a 223 and he broke out.
And he
Anything
broke
else?
out. No, I think that's a wrap.
Should I resign?
That's a wrap for you. Yeah, we're going to talk about it.
You got
These kids. Yeah, I know. Trouble. Right?
And he come up picking on me too.
We're going to dig up the impeachment paperwork and we'll see how that
I'll
goes.
sign it.
Yeah, okay. These troublemakers, whatever. Damn kids. Got an old Chevy Nova, the 5-speed Lenco at 540 against a little Corrado. Parents got it, the Volkswagen. 858 to an 1135. There was a red light in the left lane.